What if looking rich could make you poor one day? A girl wore simple clothes, while others showed off money. People laughed at her and called her poor. But one day, everything changed, and they had nothing. While she had everything, in a small, busy town, there lived a young girl named Sarah. Sarah was simple. She did not wear expensive clothes. She walked quietly and spoke softly. Her shoes were clean but old. Her dress was neat but simple. But Sarah had something special. She was careful with money. Every time she got a little money, she saved it. She did not waste it on things she did not need. People saw her and thought she was poor. They did not know. She was building something quietly. Inside, Sarah felt calm because she knew what she was doing. Sarah had many friends in school, but her friends loved to show off. They bought expensive clothes, shiny shoes, and new phones. Every day they talked about money and things they bought. They laughed loudly and said, "Look at us! We are rich." When they saw Sarah, they smiled and whispered, "She looks so poor. She has nothing." Sarah heard them, but she stayed quiet. She did not feel angry. She did not feel small. She only smiled a little and kept walking her own path. One day, her friends went shopping together. They bought new dresses, bags, and many things. They invited Sarah and said, "Come with us. Buy something nice." Sarah looked at the price tags and gently shook her head. She said, "I don't need these things right now." Her friends laughed and said, "You just don't have money." Sarah did not reply. She went home quietly and opened a small box. Inside, there were coins and notes, slowly growing every day. That box was her secret, her silent strength. Days turned into months, and months into years. Sarah kept saving little by little. She did not rush. She did not show off. She lived simple and stayed patient. Her friends, however, spent more and more money. They wanted to look rich all the time. They bought things they did not need, just to impress others. People praised them at first, but slowly, their money started disappearing, and their smiles became smaller. One day, something unexpected happened. A financial problem came into their lives. Their families lost money. Their expensive lifestyle could not continue anymore. Suddenly, the same friends who showed off had nothing left. Their new clothes stopped coming. Their phones became old. Their smiles disappeared. They felt scared and lost. For the first time, they understood the pain of losing money. That same day, Sarah walked quietly in the same town. But this time, something was different. She was not looking at shops anymore. She was standing in front of a small house, a simple, beautiful house. She held a key in her hand. Her eyes were calm. Her heart was full. Slowly, she opened the door. That house was hers. All those small savings had become something big. Her friends saw her and were shocked. They could not believe their eyes. The girl they called poor now had her own house. They felt regret deep inside. Sarah did not laugh at them. She only smiled gently and said nothing, because she knew real success does not need noise. Real wealth is quiet. Real growth is slow, but strong. Moral of the story: don't try to look rich. Try to become stable. Because showing off may give you attention, but discipline gives you a future.